Hey guys, it's Iqra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys are going to be getting ready with me and seeing how I do this simple, everyday, natural look. It's great for you beginners out there, and at the same time, I will be telling you guys facts about myself, like a little get to know me, so that should be very interesting. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos by me, and to check me out on my social media. Fans on, and it is so hot, I could not film this video without the fan. Apologize for that. And yeah, with further ado, let's get on to the video. Prime my face. Natural Radiant Longwear. I take like 3 little squirts. It looks, and then I'll take a waste of Tinted Moisturizer. That's a problem future me has to deal with. Oh, I forgot to bring a mirror. I'll just do it on this. Okay, I need a mirror. BRB. Back, bought a mirror. I was born on August 29. I'm a Virgo. I'm not huge on horoscopes. I was born in a hospital. That sounded much better in my head. I'm to be 21. I go to college, which is like a huge reason why I don't really post often on this page, because I'm always busy with like school or work or like life. It's just like squirting out by itself. If you don't see me why I'm putting on more, it's because I thought I looked a little dark, so I should have written things down. Fun fact, so for my prom, my senior prom in high school, I actually did my own makeup. I really wanted a YouTube channel back then, but I wasn't confident, and so I didn't start, obviously. My Tarte Shapetape, and I tell everyone that I don't like this concealer until I tried it again. That's another thing. This looks like a lot, whatever. I am an only child. I don't have siblings. I've always wanted a sibling, but that never worked out. So. I have a really bad fear of ants. Don't ask what. And like swimming water, like on a boat or like near a pool. Like I have to be with someone I trust that could save my life. Today is so hot. Like if you live in New York. Oh, I live in New York. I don't know why I didn't start off with that. Yeah, so today was the game. Argentina versus France, and it was really hard to watch, you know. It's Messi's last World Cup. I really hope he comes back for the one in 2020. Wait. Did my math wrong. 2022. 2022. I can't believe I just did my math wrong. That's embarrassing. Don't put that in me. Oh, I'm not very athletic. I'm actually a klutz. I get hurt a lot. If you know me, I always have like random bruises and scratches on my body. This looks really white, but I swear I'm blending. I'm blending as fast as I can. So when I was little, I used to love peanut butter. And so one day, my parents were not paying attention to me. Grabbed the whole jar, took a spoon, and I finished the whole jar. After that, I, vomited because I had too much. I don't like the smell of it. It just makes me sick. Actually born in Bangladesh, and I came here when I was five. First grade here, and absolutely hated school because, well, who likes school first of all, but I hated it even more because I didn't really know the language. And I remember the first day of first grade, I spent the whole day crying. Second day, my dad took me to school. I didn't want to leave him and go to the classroom, so I literally like wrapped my head around his waist and I wouldn't let go of him, and then the security guard had to come and pull me off. Younger, I used to have 2 parrots, and that's the only sort of pets I've had. I should show you guys the color. This like color right here. Putting on more eyeshadow because I accidentally got the pencil liner on my lids. I like warmer weathers. I like tropical places. We should look up get to know me question. Okay, what's there? Oh, 200 questions to get to know someone. Not this one. What's your dream car? A Lamborghini. Ooh, wait, there's one. If you could convince everyone in the world to do one thing at one point in time, what would that thing be? Probably to give back to the less fortunate. What were some of the turning points in your life? So going to college, getting internships, graduating high school. I guess that kind of ties in with going to college. Okay, next get to know me question. Would you rather trade some intelligence for looks or looks for intelligence? for intelligent. Not to say that I have looks or anything, but just to be like, if you're intelligent, you could be successful at something and then you can make money and like, you know. Would you rather be the best player on a horrible team or the worst player on a great team? Best player on a horrible team because I'm not athletic and right now I'm always the worst player. Anastasia eyebrow gel. I'm just gonna look in the viewfinder. Tarte Twinkle stick? Twinkle stick, yeah. And put it on the tip of my nose, down my nose. Put highlighter here. Bite Beauty matte stick Amaretto. This is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss lip balm. One more thing about me that no one knows. Like I said, awful hand-eye coordination. Oh, I got that. Oh, and I'm a huge Selena Gomez fan. If you guys made it to this point of the video, I'm impressed. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you made it to the end of the video, you're the real MVP and you got to know a little bit more about me. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and don't forget to seize it. Bye!